Welcome to Peru. We survey and make videos about the Chuvash, a small Turkic nation in Russia. My name is Victor. I'm a native speaker of Chuvash. Tonight's presentation will be a renewed reference to those who look for videos in this language, because it is not featured in Google and it's difficult to navigate if you don't know where to begin. In 2023, my list of Chuvash channels has expanded to 150. I searched among them for the top 10 Chuvash videos released in 2023. Let me briefly mention the rules I set out with. For the top 10, the video view count must at least be 2500. Footage must not predate 2020 if it's not a documentary. Video must include at least a 10-second stretch of Chuvash speech. But these are the rules for the top 10 only, because here are some honorable mentions. They may not match criteria but are quite valuable. This one is as odd as our videos, as it comes from an unusual place. We see a Chuvash actress in Yekaterinburg who gives a quick tour of the opera house.
Opera балет театрын шурже уминже выл Ленин проспектинче вырнашна. Курырга мендери хитре мынашлы кермень. Ана пинде тыхыржыр вуннымыш шулда хабартма бушлаза.
Every year, we highlight an obscure alternative video, and this year the honor goes to Erma. A biographical short film that highlights the life of educator Ivan Yakovlev features a skillfully performed dialogue in Chuvash.
Учитель говорит, весь тех пахсаил, вара галаса баран мынен бандын. Аяп нем делан манмас, мын галаса барас пельмес.
Анланмала. Чуваш азбуки дернега? Парга даргашын, пахсайлеп.
Welcome to the newcomer, channel Andagala. Best of luck on your journey. We appreciate Dilby's latest video bursts with color and joy. It's a delightful reminder of those cherished summer vacations. Diva took a soulful, less concept-oriented approach, and it paid off. They went viral last year. People loved and eagerly shared their content. Among the news pieces, the story of the lavish Agadoy festival in Moscow received the highest number of views.
Мускавра Агадой уявни иртереси пинде тагыршыр вадырмыш шулданбах пырайт. Кычал вергеления вырын кураганзымбе ханазане уйрумах келишне. Шеванбах регион дердиши Олег Николаев-та Сокольники баркыра уду уйхын пушламышынче ага.
An ordinary episode of a dedications TV show gained unexpected popularity on Chuvash YouTube.
Бадысем эшедедінма анышусынса кымылулайық бұлдырден явалдан. Кымылай шухнешеш эшетепле шуна барса бұрнышладын. Бұл үзенет тулы савыныш көрет. Телелі саман сонса ырығымы ба самзенгаларымне.
In 2023, Chuvashia participated in several federal events in Moscow. This cleverly selected anthem focuses on women, symbolizing the connection between the past and the future. Let me share a bit of a spoiler. The top 10 doesn't include any other fancy music videos. The genre is growing slowly with modest results. Andrei Smirnov tried it with attractive ladies, yet the new count doesn't match their expectations. Consistency paid off for social media personalities, creating sizable followings. Konstantin Dobrohodov's YouTube channel is officially a hit.
Тебір шитірімір, Пушкарт республикие, Виргиния ултарадухны баян, Халь, Вижезі хет, Вижезі треш шитірімір. Денег.
Speaking of hits, Ivan Shinjaev released a catchy dance track inspired by the 80s and 90s. This nostalgic song garnered significant plays across various platforms. In 2023, a multilingual children's cartoon featuring two bears and their friends reached its highest viewership in Chuvash, marking its most viewed episode to date.
Ура! Ура! Я ес чон-жон чаплы батша бегех булдын. Отку халде паллы.
Менесе тумна улыштармастын.
Айып, келе шаплах кайып.
As we approach the top, viewers increasingly seek authentic, real-sized videos. In this one from Dmitry Moiseev, we get a straightforward performance captured at a simple get-together of a few Chuvash artists. This video comes from the expo I've already mentioned and features a dramatization of a traditional Chuvash wedding. Another top 10. In 2023, the trend leaned towards comedic and light entertainment. With limited options to choose from, we kick off with a playful song by Peter Yermolaev and his
Баян, Павлинбек Юрлан, потому что ман.
Kirill Rybakov's Manamar is a folk jam that's going to live on for generations. Keeping it real, here's a simple cell phone video from a concert row. Kirill Rybakov's Manamar is a At number 8, we have Denis Pavlov, the winner of the Best Male Artist of 2023 on the Chuvash Music Hit Radio. We enjoyed an energy-packed live performance featuring an electrifying saxophone. Chuvashkachi transformed into simply Chuvash and experienced substantial growth. The channel now creates and shares straightforward footage from concerts and events. Number 7. New Year's is an important celebration in Chuvashia. It's a cozy winter night at home with family and TV. The national TV hit it big with a 3-hour extravaganza. The full show and several snippets gained lots of views. Here's the hour-and-a-half version at number 6. The full 3-hour version sits just outside our top 10 at number 11, in case you were curious. Moving on to a less elaborate production, we have an hour-long concert footage from channel Chuvash at number 5. Sergei Smirnov's YouTube channel dominates Chuvash views. Knowing that we limited videos to 3 per channel, but surprisingly, not much changed. At number 4, we have this year's mom-and-pop duet, Elena and Valery Kuznets. The viral number 2 song of 2022 by Olesya Yakovleva continued its popularity with repeated plays. The new footage takes the 3rd spot in the rankings. What these guys do might not be everyone's cup of tea. But boy, we've got Peter Yermolaev and Andrei Shadrikov at number 2 in 2023 with their silly bathhouse song. And here we have the number 1 Chuvash YouTube video of 2023. This song is the ultimate earworm, the most beloved release of the previous year, and it only grew more popular in 2023. Let's give it up for Alexander and Yekaterina Sorokins claiming the top spot. I hope I did okay, honoring the best of efforts by Chuvash artists, bloggers, journalists and videographers to make it real for people like me who live abroad to enjoy the connection to the hometown, the language and the spirit. There are relevant playlists in the channel. I've also created a list of references and links under the video. I had a special help from Andrei for this presentation. You could contribute too, especially if, like me, you come from a lesser-known nation, Tatar, Nogai, Gagavuz, Bashkir, Yakut, and if you love your language and culture, send me an email, comment below. I'm wishing you all of the best. See you in another video.